So you just picked up some new Air Jordan 1s. And not only did you pick up some Air Jordan 1, you picked up the new shattered backboard Air Jordan 1. And you probably sitting there wondering like, why my shoes is not laced up. But if you don't know, Air Jordan 1 do not come laced up. But in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to properly lace your Air Jordan 1s. And if you got the shattered backboard, you know that they come with two sets of laces. They came with the black laces and they come with the orange laces. But in this video, I'm gonna do a lace swap and I'm gonna put the white laces in here. But before we get into this, can I get y'all to hit that like button? Y'all rock with your boy. If you don't, hit the dislike, and I still appreciate y'all. Now, let's go see how to loose lace and how to lace up your Air Jordan 1s.
Questa è la musica di rock Maninov. Ascoltalo.
Y'all let me know what y'all think about the white lace swap. In my opinion, I went with the white laces because I thought the white laces will make this shoe pop even more. And I went with some Jordan 1 Lows laces because depending on how I feel, sometimes I like to go to the top and sometimes I like to keep it right here and have them bunny ears just right there, just enough. That way they're not hanging off too loose or hit the ground. So sometimes when I'm doing my lace swap or lacing my Air Jordan 1s, I take the laces out the Air Jordan Lows so I can get that right look right there. So y'all let me know down in the comment, are y'all going with the black laces or the white laces? I'm gonna let you know off rip, the orange laces, your boy not going with them. So it's gonna be black or white for me. Right now, I'm leaning towards the white, but the black go hard as well. So y'all let me know down in the comments what laces will y'all be rocking with your shattered backboards. Until then, I appreciate y'all for rocking with another video. If this video was helpful and it taught y'all how to lace your Air Jordan 1s, hit that like button for your boy. If it didn't, hit that dislike. And like I told y'all at the beginning of the video, I still appreciate y'all. Until then, it's your average sneaker guy. But y'all know the average don't stand for average. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Get you some, get you some. Hey, don't forget to wear your sneakers. I'm out.
Your average sneakers, your average sneaker guy, your average sneakers, your average sneaker guy, hey, your average sneaker